Hi everyone, Manuela Marcheggiani from Isomers Skincare. I'm a cosmetic chemist and I've been creating skincare and doing research with formulas and skincare for over 30 years. We have our own site in Toronto, Canada. We manufacture from there. We're vertically integrated. So we're cosmetic chemists, university trained, and all we do is study the skin and create formulas to correct or problem solve in skincare. One of the ingredients that we use a lot and we have been using a lot for decades is retinoids. So let's break down retinoids for beginners. People hear about retinoids all the time. People ask, what's the difference between a retinoid and retinol and all this? So I'm going to try to be very quick and brief, but just give you a bit of an insider information. Retinoid is an umbrella term for the entire category. Vitamin A creates the retinoids. Okay, so vitamin A acid, retinoic acid. That is the top one or the most aggressive one. Then there is retinaldehyde. That is a conversion. Then there's retinol. So in essence, retinol is like 2 conversions away from being retinoic acid. Why is this important? This is important because when you're thinking about retin A or retinoid acid and the ones that are prescription based, those ones are very aggressive, they're very effective, and there is a difference between that version by prescription and the 2 conversions down, which is a retinol that you can get over the counter and that I actually formulate with a lot of in our formulas. So this is the umbrella term of retinoids. The retinol is literally 2 conversions away from retinoic acid. Now, that's what it is. That's the umbrella term. It is a vitamin A derivative. It is something that is very good for your skin. So what does this do? It is an acid. So it goes into your skin and the retinol too will go into your skin and it converts to retinaldehyde, to retinoic acid over time. And why this is important? This is helping to rebuild collagen. It's helping to correct and rebuild a lot of the elements in the skin. So for better skin quality, if there's damage in the skin, this is something that is very, very helpful. It is probably the single most important ingredient for repair of the collagen and repair of the skin. And so we see that with the retinols, retinoids, with this category, we see that it does address issues of the skin such as acne, because it helps with the cell turnover and the exfoliation. It helps with pigmentation. Again, very similarly, because of that cell turnover, that exfoliation, it can actually maybe speed up, and then it helps to correct and rebuild the collagen. So this is going to talk about the quality of your skin. So you've got lines and wrinkles that you can address with it, so for aging skin. You have acne for younger skin, and you also have pigmentation issues. So the retinoids, that family, is an important family. This is why you need to use it. This is what it does. This is where it comes from. What happens with it is that people get very, very excited about the information and the studies, and everybody wants to use a very high aggressive because you want to correct your skin very quickly. And what we find is that people misuse or do not use properly this particular ingredient. So what I recommend is that regardless of which retinoid you are using, okay, start slow. Start with 1 time a week. Get a calendar out. Start with using your formula once the first week, twice the second week, 3 times the third week, maybe 4 times the 4th week. Build up a resistance. This is very important, especially if you're using the more aggressive retinoic acid, okay? The reason why you want to start slow is because when you start to notice it working and it starts to exfoliate or peel or dry out your skin, you don't like the results. You get all upset about it, and then you start putting other product on, or you keep using it and your skin gets more sensitive. So it turns into this kind of vicious cycle, and you shy away from the formula altogether. I touched my plant behind here. You shy away from the formula altogether, and so you're not getting the benefits. So it's important to use it properly. What I like too is microdosing. I'm a big fan of using less, and this is one of the beauties of the retinoids of this family. You don't have to use an aggressive format to get the results for your skin. So, to summarize, because I don't want to keep belaboring the point, to summarize with the retinoids, if you're using a retinoic acid, make sure you're using it sparingly, in the sense that once a week, then twice a week, get a calendar out and follow a program. Build up the tolerance in your skin so you're going to get those great results. And if you stop using it for any reason, you've got to start from the beginning again. Once a week, twice the next week, that's the best way of doing it, is utilizing that calendar. An alternative way to use it is to microdose it. So use a retinol. Okay, so now you're 2 conversions down. Use a retinol in a low dose, and you probably could use that every day or every other day. I also like to combine this family with niacinamide. It's a really good complement to the ingredient and to your experience. So the results are better, and the experience I find much, much, much better. If you have any questions or need more information, please email us or ask below. If you like our videos and you want more of them, please like, subscribe, and share. And I thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to talking to you again real soon.